Hey y'all, Jamie Dean back in Mama's Kitchen, and today did y'all see yesterday's video? Pause, watch yesterday's video. We worked on a barbecue sauce that we're gonna use today. So step 2 is, if you're gonna have a good barbecue, if you're gonna have a pulled chicken or pulled pork, any kind of sandwich, gotta have slaw. I love slaw on turkey sandwiches, ham sandwiches. Slaw is a delicious condiment on any sandwich you can think of. It's necessity if you're doing pulled chicken sandwiches, which is what I'm doing today. Look how easy this is. Everybody makes slaw, right? It's super easy to do. You can buy a bag of prepared at your grocery store. For me, I'm always going to get a fresh head of cabbage, save the outside leaves because you want that green. But if you want a mix, that's perfectly acceptable. Slaw's so easy, y'all. All you need is a little bit of mayonnaise. I'm going to do it this way, and then I'll tell you how to make a really good one. Purple onions, apple cider vinegar, a pinch of salt and pepper. One of the things, I'm going to put a little bit of hot sauce in here too. And I have always done it, and I don't know why, but I put it in every slaw that I make, some celery seeds. This is why y'all have me around. Take a second with your celery seeds. Look how small that is. You're not going to be able to chop it all the way up, but you can break it a little bit. Release some of the flavor that's inside of these seeds. Also gives you a texture. And it's a really pretty piece. What I like to do is take my wet, mix it up first. Make sure and incorporate all my flavors down into this mayonnaise, because I'm going to get an even coat of mayonnaise through my whole slaw. So instead of seasoning a bag of pre-cut cabbage and not really knowing where it's going to land, I season my dressing because I know that the dressing is going to coat every bit of this slaw. I'm going to start with about half a bag and see how this does. I don't like mine too wet. I tell you what, I've gotten pretty good about guessing how much to put in where. This is perfect for me. It's a little bit wet, not too dry. Now, some of y'all are thinking, I know Jamie Dean was born in South Georgia and he's not going to put sugar in his slaw. I most certainly will. When I'm at my house, when I'm at Mama's house, I'm using this recipe. So there's no sugar in this, but if you want to, put your little bit of sugar in here and get it sweet. Now, don't go too far because we ain't eating slaw today. When you come back, I'm going to show you yesterday plus today equals, oh, delicious. Stick around. Okay, y'all, now that you've gone back and saw yesterday, this is the barbecue sauce that we were doing. It's our traditional red sauce here, and I'm going to add it to some pulled chicken. Now, if you want to, the easiest thing in the world is to roast some chicken at your house. Salt and pepper it, put it in your oven, keep an eye on it, get it to 165. Let it cool down a little bit. You can use your hands or a fork, a couple of forks. And you can shred it, which is what we're doing today. Shredded chicken sandwich. Now, depending on how wet you like yours. So you can roast it, or you can go buy a rotisserie chicken, or you can just throw it in there, just a whole chicken breast if you want. But if you pull it, you see it's got that barbecue consistency that people love. And by people, I mean me. So we've got our chicken going on our little buns that we have here with our barbecue sauce. Look how pretty that is. I like to make them tall and fat. I've been selling a lot of barbecue sandwiches down at the Chicken Box lately. And people love them. Now, if y'all want to do some pickles, these are bread and butter pickles. I ain't even going to open them. Don't put a bread and butter pickle on your barbecue. Dill pickles. The only condiment I want on this today, though, is this slaw that we made. Barbecue sandwiches are supposed to be sloppy. Don't y'all know? The higher, the better. Now, you don't need any other condiment on these because we've got our mayonnaise, we've got our barbecue sauce. So we have vegetables, we have color, texture, I mean, who's hungry? It's the end of summer, y'all. Now, the only thing this is missing is 2 lips, and I got them. Appreciate it. Y'all hungry? Make your pulled chicken barbecue coleslaw sandwiches today and thank me tomorrow. Jamie Dean, I'll see y'all around the kitchen. Thanks, y'all. That's good food.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Dean. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.